Salam. That's a very good name, sir.
Sayyid Alawi Hashim.
Okay, nice to meet you, sir. It's a great privilege to know more about this particular area. Yeah?
Before this was before Lakri.
Okay.
This is Lakri, huh?
Okay, all wood, huh?
Old, maybe
1960. Oh my God. So what he is trying to say that the picture what you seen over here, this picture, this is the best bus over here in Bahrain, which is made in 1960.
Before no.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. So which is Babel Bahrain roundabout in 1964. Yeah.
Picture is old.
Yeah, this is
This
the
lady old now.
different. Yeah. And this is the picture of intersection of Sheikh Abdullah Street at the year of 1960s. Yeah.
Maybe Fungar or Helman, Discar, Fungar, huh? Maybe Fungar. School.
Okay. So I like to say that Berber 1960, and his saying is
taxi all.
yeah, all these are the old taxis over here in Manama, Bahrain. And what is this building? This building? The same Semyani, yeah? Okay.
This police, all this Indian police.
Okay.
Before.
Okay.
Before.
All right.
This
Okay.
is British.
British. Okay. All mix, huh?
All this.
Yeah. 1960s.
Before. So
Okay.
Time.
Yeah. In 19th century.
This is British.
British. Yes.
Before
Yeah.
car, Mafi. No car.
Okay.
So,
Only horse.
Horse.
Okay. Only horse.
horse.
Yeah.
This high police, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Same. Now Kalas
No, this is India.
Yeah,
Before
okay.
India.
Before India. So you're trying to say that the previous police were mixed the community of British as well as Indian police, which is their traditional dresses and all, and there was no cars available, and they tried to used to travel on the horses. Yeah.
This horse before all British embassy.
Okay,
British embassy.
Okay.
This horse.
Okay.
Now a British embassy.
Okay.
For
Now Mafi horse over there, Kalasa. So how many years you are here in Bahrain and you are using taxi?
here me and then me 50 taxi.
50 years.
50 years.
Oh Allah.
But now
Yeah.
before okay.
Yeah. Before Corona.
200 first before customer قضيبية محرك 500 فلس أم الحصان 500 فلس but now 3 dinar no good no good
Nobody agree.
maybe 6 morning coming here
Oh.
6 morning no customer no
Yeah. No.
before now 3 hours 4 hours 10 dinar
Yes, you can keep in your.
but no more Kareem Ubra سبيدي موتور
Petrol.
الحداد اسمه المؤيد كله بفور تاكسي كل تاكسي but now تاكسي مال اول خلاص دون رو تاكسي اول 200 فلس but now maybe 4 hours working 10 dinar.
So how much in 1960 was taxi? That time, even 50 years back, how much you were charging for taxi? 200 fils?
Before 200 fils.
In 1950?
Fair.
50 years back? 50 years back? When you started? Yeah.
Maybe 1, 5, 6, 7. 1 9 7
Fills.
no 7 here no.
La. What I'm asking, how much rent? Same 200 fills, na, from here to
Before,
Zabia. Yeah,
200
1950.
fills.
Oh, 200 fills, huh?
Eh.
Now 1.5 BD. Mushkil hai.
But now 2 dinar but no good.
Yeah.
Or
And see, this is their resting place where they are taking seats while there is
before
no
taxi,
Yeah.
American taxi,
Yeah.
Dodge,
Okay.
2 dinar petrol.
Yeah.
But now
Yeah.
Dodge, same taxi before, huh? Maybe 12 dinar. Before 2 dinar, full.
Yeah.
Petrol, 1 gallon, 5 liter, British 5 liter, no American gallon, British 100 fills,
Wow.
100 fills. And now 1 liter 200 fills,
Yes. All
5 liter 100 fills.
Yes. That's kalas la, all gone.
Ah.
All gone. So he's talking about the old wages as well as the new wages, the comparison of the petrol and the expenditures and the taxi fares, and everything is absolutely changed. Yeah, and it's a wonderful chatting with this gentleman, and here we are chatting our Sponge Vlogs new episode. Welcome to the new episode for the Sponge Vlogger. Be with me. Thank you. So that this is your office, huh? And they have an office over here.
Always taxi.
Taxi office in Babel, Bahrain. Babel, Bahrain. Taking this video in the Babel, Bahrain gate, and the taxi driver who was with me.
Maybe 6 o'clock morning, maybe 12 o'clock, go home, no customer.
Yeah, okay.
Too much long, 10 hours, 12 hours waiting, maybe customer 1 dinar or 2 dinar. Before 100, hours? No. Hurry.
Okay, Rabab. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Salam alaikum. And see, here is the taxi. Inside the souk, where we can find out all the new and older heritages decorated for the National Day. We are exploring inside the souk. You can see there's the old spices, dry lemon, the sunflower seeds, and bay leaves, this. Textile shops. They're keeping the old heritages as it is. So the wholesale textile shops. It's a real soup. और कैसे है? मैं खाली वीडियो डालने के लिए आया था।
कैसा है बॉस? अच्छा है।
ठीक ठाक है। आप कैसे है? और किधर का है? बांग्लादेश का। ठीक है, चलते हैं।
आप मेरा सेम
हम लोग सेम फैमिली है। But he trying to say that all you are from the bald hair families.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Good man, eh?
Yeah.
Some good man. Same.
But you have to make little more. No, क्यों नहीं?
देखो भाई, हाय, how are you?
Fine.
हमारा बाइक का दुकान देखो, टॉयज का दुकान देखो।
अच्छा, वो क्यों नहीं? कुछ दिखा सकते हैं। हाँ, बात करो ना। Actually, they are very interested to talk about their dogs, and they like to show me what about things are available in the. Yeah. The name of the shop is Mikat Star Trading. They're selling the toys over here, toys and talcum powders. It's like a stationery items, and there is a sweet shop near to that, and they're selling all the spices, which is Royal Mini Market. They're selling the dry ingredients, which is lemon and mustard, dal, and lot of things, which is bay leaves,
turmeric, coriander, mustard, cinnamon, red chili, black pepper,
and sweets. You can have in wholesale rate, like
Saffron.
fruits and everything. Even it is mentioned in Kerala also, Royal Mini Markets. But the people those who are working over here from Bangladesh. Yeah, and from Bangladesh. What is आपका नाम क्या है जी? अकरम इधर का हीरो है, हाँ? अकरम इधर का हीरो है. And they are trying to sell something over there. It's very difficult to convince the people there. See,
Cosmetic, electronics, perfume.
yeah, it's very difficult to convince. Okay, there are.
आप किधर का?
It's a Friday. It's a Juma day. So most of the people are busy over here. The souk is busy. Yeah, it's my friend's shop, which is known as Al Bilad BTQ, and selling. Take it.
Come on inside, my friend.
Yeah.
Inside.
Okay.
Okay.
So they are trying to sell all the textiles, and is the owner of this shop. What is your good name, sir?
नाम बोलो।
आपका नाम बोलिए जी। अब्दुल्ला। आप किधर के जी?
India.
के, केरला के. So is one of Mr. Abdullah is from Kerala. നാട്ടിലെവിടെ? കാസർഗോഡ് ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട്. ഞാനിവിടെ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒക്കെ എക്സ്പ്ലോർ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി വന്നാൽ നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ട മലയാളിന്ന് പെട്ടെന്ന് അറിയില്ല. ഇവരെ കൂടെ കൂടിയിട്ട് പോലെ. പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ എത്ര നാളേക്കാ?
ഞാൻ തക്രീബൻ 39 വർഷം.
ഓ ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം ഞങ്ങൾ 9 കൊല്ലം മുമ്പ് 30 കൊല്ലത്തോളായി.
ഞാൻ 39
കൊല്ലത്തോളായി. എനിവേ കടൽ വളരെ സന്തോഷം. ഇവിടെ കുറെ ഈ കട തന്നെയായിരുന്നു വന്നോട്ട്. So he trying to say that almost 39 years old expatriates in Bahrain, and he started this business.
28 വർഷം അറബിന്റെ കൂടെ.
Oh, okay.
പിന്നെ ഞാൻ തന്നെ.
Okay, almost 28 years he was under the ownership of his sponsor, and now now he is taken over the business and going. പുള്ളിക്കാരൻ പ്രായമായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ?
പുള്ളി വല്ല ഉണ്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഇമാം പള്ളിയിലാണ്.
अब ശരി, ओके बाय बाय. So बोल के वो मेरे भाई बन गए ना. इधर का ज़्यादा पीपल हमारे उधर के हैं। ये हमारे उधर का बाद में फिर आप लोग के। हाँ? वो उसका गांव वाला है। हाँ 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 കണ്ടത് പറയില്ല അല്ലേ? വരുന്നത് മുഹമ്മദ് എവിടെ നാട്ടില്? കാസർഗോഡ്. എല്ലാം കാസർഗോഡായിരുന്നു. ഞങ്ങൾ തൃശ്ശൂരാണ്. തൃശ്ശൂര് പിന്നെ മണ്ണിക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ പള്ളി ആ പുള്ളിയും ഭയങ്കര ഉഷാറാണ്. ആ പക്ഷെ ആള് ഉഷാറാ. പുലി പോലത്തെ മലയാണ്. ഓ ആ പുലിനെ പുലി പോലെ പുലി പുലി പുലി. हाँ जी कैसे जी? क्या आपका नाम क्या है जी? अब्दुल खान. नाम किधर का है? किधर का? बांग्लादेश का. आपका दुकान है ना? बोल दीजिए दुकान के बारे में. This is the name of Al Saralta Beauty Q. So they are also selling variety of textiles, a small kind of for gents and women. Yeah, why not? It's a small shop, but they are having a very good business over here. कितना साल हो गया जी इधर ये?
2 साल है.
2 साल है. अच्छा कोरोना में कोरोना में see most of the people are closing down on corona business, but this gentleman is starting to open up a new business. और क्या लग जी?
ठीक है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
किधर है आपकी दुकान? किधर है?
ये दुकान है अब्दुल रहमान अहमद जुबारी.
So this shop is known as Abdul Rahman Ahmad Zubari. कितना साल हो गया जी?
36.
Oh, what he trying to say is 36 years. All the shop over here, they're selling stationery items, which is trading items. थोड़ा अंदर जा सकते. It's a very rarely available things over here. പേര് പറഞ്ഞോ? ചേട്ടൻ്റെ പേരെന്താ? Khalid. എത്ര നാളായി കൂടെ? Almost 20 years. Almost 20 years. Name is Mr. Khalid. And സ്വന്തം ഷോപ്പാണോ? അല്ലല്ലോ. Oh, he is the owner of this shop, but he is just roaming around over here. Such a simple guy. So this is a shop. They are selling most of the blankets and sweaters due to the seasonable dresses. And all you can see, shop is a bit busy. So അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഫാമിലി ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടോ? ഫാമിലിക്ക് ഉണ്ട്. സന്തോഷമായിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. ക്ഷേമമായിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. നാട്ടിൽ പോയി വന്നെടുത്ത് കൊറോണയൊന്നും പ്രശ്നമില്ലായിരുന്നില്ല. Okay, so the market is very busy. The people are coming and going over here. जी आपका नाम बोल दीजिए.
हमारा नाम आमिर हुसैन है.
अमित हुसैन है. आप किधर का है?
बांग्लादेश का.
बांग्लादेश का. लेकिन इधर कितना साल हो गया?
इधर 5 साल हो गए.
5 साल हो गया. आपको दुकान का नाम?
दुकान इब्राहिम स्टोर है.
हाँ? Ibrahim store. Okay, this is the stores which is known as Ibrahim stores. What store?
इब्राहिम स्टोर.
Ibrahim stores, which is trading textiles and all the seasonal items, and all these items are available over here, and ladies garments, textiles, all the inner garments and all the varieties and all. So and another there is Abdullah Khalil Maragi also there. And hi. Up there okay? Okay. മനല്ലേ ഇവിടത്തല്ലേ? അത് ശരി. പിന്നെ എന്താ വിളിച്ചു പോണേ കാണുമ്പോ? കൂട്ടത്തില് പേര് പറഞ്ഞ നിങ്ങളുടെ? റഹൂഫ്. റഹൂഫ് നാട്ടിലെവിടെ? കാഞ്ഞങ്ങാട്. പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ അധികം വടകരയും നിങ്ങൾ അതിന്നൊരു വ്യത്യസ്തനായിട്ട്.
നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്ഥലം?
തൃശ്ശൂര്. രണ്ട് കട അപ്പുറത്ത് ഓപ്പണിംഗ് ആണല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ പരിചയമുള്ള സന്തോഷം. കാണാം. आप भी इसका साथ देखने के क्यों होना चाहिए? देखने या इसका नाम क्या है?
फिल्म पेंटर. अरबी में बोलता है टिटिंग.
Titting. It's known as Titting. But there's a film, and I don't know really, but they're just saying the name of the toy is one of that. So it is easy to, make it.
New. Hello. New toys.
Yes, it's
Puppet.
really, it's really
Sabura.
funny thing. It looks like a cactus. The shape of the toy is cactus, but it is really funny, imitating the sounds of human beings.
Hello.
Wow. So it's his birthday.
Hello.
Uh,